So we had finished this chapter. So in this class we will discuss about the question answer. Write the question answer in your copy and learn them. So first, G number, differentiate between the following prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. Page number 104. So here page 104, G number 1, the cells having nuclear material without proper nuclear membrane are known as prokaryotic. The cells of multicellular are well organized and have nucleus with a nuclear membrane. These are called eukaryotic cells. Number 2, cell membrane and cell wall, page number 103. This is G number 2, cell membrane. The cell membrane is the outermost layer of the cell. So only this much you can write. Cell membrane is the outermost layer of the cell. If you want, you can write and encloses the basic components of the cell. G number 2, in the plant cell, the additional layer outside the cell membrane is known as cell wall. Page 103. Next is plant cell and animal cell, page 106. So any 2 points you can write from this. Next is organs and organelles. It is there in your keywords. Here page 106, keywords organ and organelles. H number, answer the following in brief. Number 1, what is a cell? Page 100. So H number 1, a cell may be defined as the smallest structural and functional unit of an organism. H number 2, write the main points of the cell theory, that also page number 100. So 3 points are there in the cell theory, so all the 3 points you have to write. Page 100. Next, number 3, why is a cell membrane important to a cell? Page 103. So here you have to mix up, so listen carefully. Cell membrane is the outermost layer of cell and encloses the basic components of the cell. It not only separates one cell from the another but also separates the cell from the surrounding environment. It allows regular movement of substances or materials both from inside and outside. So after writing, you can write so. In your question it is written cell membrane is important to a cell. So first you will write all these points, then you will write so cell membrane is important to a cell. Number 4, cell exists in different shapes. Give 3 examples. Page 101. So this is H number 4, page 101. Cells can be of different shapes. They can be round, spherical or elongated. So example, you can give spindle shaped muscle cells, then long and branched nerve cells, spherical red blood cells. H number 5, name the main parts of the cell. Page 103. So the main parts of the cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus. H number 5, parts of the cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus. So number 6, what is mitochondria? Page 105. So this is mitochondria, so you can write H number 6, mitochondria, you can write from here. Next, number 7, what are chloroplasts? That also page 105. So page 105, green color plastids are known as chloroplast. These are green in color due to the presence of pigment called chlorophyll. H number 7. H number, what are the function of nucleus? You will be getting in the PDF. 9 number, what are organelles? Page 104. So H number 9, the living parts of the cell that have definite shape, structure and function are known as organelles. Next, answer the following in detail. So explain the different levels of organization in a multicellular organism. Page 101. So I number 1, in multicellular organism, the levels of organization include cell, tissues, organs, organ system and body. So for all multicellular organisms, life starts with a single cell, that is the fertilized egg. This egg further divides to gradually create all the cells. So all organism performs all the life functions irrespective of the number of cells in them. So this is our I number 1. Number 2, explain the structure of a cell with the help of level diagram. This I will be giving in the PDF file. Along with this you have to do the diagram, that is diagram also I will attach in the PDF file, but you see. So this cell diagram you have to do, and only 3 leveling is enough for that. Cell membrane, then this is our nucleus and this is our cytoplasm. So only these 3 leveling is enough for the structure of the cell. Number 3, write 5 differences between a plant cell and animal cell, page 106. So from here any 5 points you can write, page 106. Number 4, draw label diagram of plant cell and animal cell. So here also you have to do the diagram. I will be sending in the PDF. Don't make any excuse that here also diagram and here also diagram. Both the diagram you have to do. Then number 5, this also will be there in your PDF file. Number 6, give the functions of the following. First number, Golgi apparatus. So we will write only function. So 6 number A, Golgi apparatus is responsible. Listen carefully. Golgi apparatus is responsible for the secretion of chemical substance such as enzymes, hormones and proteins. So this is our I number 6A. B is vacuoles. So vacuoles stores water, useful minerals, pigments and many other substances. Number C, lysosome. So lysosome contain chemical substances called enzymes that can digest the cell. Number D, endoplasmic reticulum. So endoplasmic reticulum is involved. Endoplasmic reticulum is involved in the synthesis, storage and transport of cell products. Number E, mitochondria. So for mitochondria you can write mitochondria acts as sites of energy production. Mitochondria acts as sites of energy production and are known as powerhouse of the cell. So all these left out questions will be there in PDF along with the hot question and short question. So write them and learn them.